Hello class, I'm working out of your fundamentals book 6.6, percent change. The percent change formula is the amount of change in the numerator over the original amount in the denominator times 100%. Grab this to work with as you work your assignment. Very simply, to find the amount of increase or decrease, we're going to have something like 594 to 732. Right away, you know that's an increase, but by how much? You can subtract to find out. Calculate. It's an increase at 138. Another example, if we have 16,865 and it goes to 11,328, right away you can see a decrease, but by how much? Subtract the two numbers. Calculate. All right, we have a decrease of 5,537. If we find the percent change and specify the increase or decrease, then we will have an original amount given to us. We'll just call it that, original, at 40. And a new amount at 34. Find the difference between the two for the amount of change. Alright, so we're going to put that into our formula. We're going to have the amount of change over the original amount, all times 100. Any whole number can be put over 1 to make it look like a fraction. We can also cross cancel here. 20 will go into 40 twice. 20 will go into 100 5 times. Organize your new work. 6 times 5 is 30. 2 times 1 is 2. 30 divided by 2 is 15. This is a percent. So we will have a percent here. And then we are specifying a decrease of 15%. What is the percent change in the attendance at a football stadium if it increased from 14,200 to 15,800 between two games? Round to the nearest percent. Okay, one of our first steps has been to find the difference between the two numbers. We already know it has increased. Calculate it. It's an increase of 1,600 people. This is the amount of change. This is the original amount. I'm going to multiply that by 100%. And put that over 1 to make it look like a fraction. We can divide the fraction, numerator and denominator, by 100. It helps reduce it so that we can work with it a little better. We have 16 divided by 142 when we do that step. 16 in the house 142 outside the house. Annex a couple zeros after the decimal point. Let's see what we have. 142 into 1, no. 142 into 16, 0 times. Raise the roof with our decimal. 142 into 160, that fits 1 time. 1 times 142 is 142. Calculate the subtraction. 18, bring down, work above. 142 fits into 180 1 time. I subtract it. Calculate. Annex another 0 just to see what we get. Bring down, work above. 142 fits into 380 2 times. Okay, we can calculate that really fast, but we also can stop there on our calculation. Okay, we get 112 thousandths. Which rounds to 11 hundredths because the 2 keeps that next door neighbor, the 1 the same, the decision digit the same. So that's still multiplied by 100. I'll move our decimal right 2 places. There's 2 0 place value holders in our 100, and that's how it converts to 11%. The other way we could have gone about this is just multiplied our fractions until we found 11%. I hope this helps, and I will see you soon.